Hey guys, TJ with an honest review. Today I have these Decibullz custom earplugs, and these actually shape to your ear, which is awesome. This is the NRR31, and I'm gonna open this up and show you what you get in the box. So right off the bat here, let's see, this is gonna be just some advertising, but they have very detailed directions as to what to do. And basically all you're gonna do is just heat these up in boiling water for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna keep them in your ear for a few minutes, and you're kind of just gonna press them firmly into your ear and mold them in, and then you're pretty much all good. Apparently you can do this as many times as you want. You can repeat the process, so if they don't come out molded great the first time, you can just do it again. So we have a nice bag where you can keep this in. This is kind of like a silky material. This is really nice. Something you can just throw in your pocket if you're going like on the airplane. I like to wear earplugs on the plane, so I'd take these with me. Good for shooting guns as well. All right, so next, these are gonna be like the non-moldable. These are the foam. These are gonna be rated, I believe, for 31 decibels, and the other ones are 24. So we have 3 sizes here, and it looks like we have a small, medium, and a large to fit all ears. This is gonna be the backing that goes in the back of this actual plug. I'm gonna open these up. All right, so this is like a nice little plastic, and these are gonna be totally 100% moldable. There is a right and a left, and whenever you mold this, you are gonna put this stuff in there, actually, is what the directions say. So that's gonna go on the back side, and then you're gonna take one of these and just throw them on right like that. And from here, you're actually gonna throw it into boiling water, just like that. And then you're gonna take it out, let it cool for about 30 seconds, and then put it in your ear for about 5 minutes, and it's gonna mold to your ear. You're gonna just push on it. This is really nice. We have the light hitting on this right now, kind of giving it like an orange vibe, but it's actually a really nice red. You can get these in all sorts of different colors, and I have to say, this does seem like it's gonna be really nice and comfortable. I'm curious on how this is gonna be, because it is like I wouldn't say it's a hard plastic, but whenever this goes back to regular, hopefully it sits in your ear really nice and doesn't cause any discomfort. I am excited to try these different decibel readings just to see what the actual difference is like without, you know, noise in the background or anything. That's everything that you're gonna get in the kit. It seems to be really nice. I'm gonna post another video that's actually gonna show you how to use this too, so be on the lookout for that. And we're gonna have a little demo on molding this, and I'll give you my thoughts on what it feels like. Thanks for watching.